Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Supercar Tribe. Now, it's been a little while since I've posted a video, and there's a good reason for that. It's because last year, probably about 14 months ago, I bought an Aston Martin, and it wasn't quite what I expected, let's put it that way. So I knew it needed a little bit of work, and you're going to find out all about it in this episode. But it has literally taken me 14, 15 months to get it to the stage where it is now. It needed everything doing to it. And over the next few weeks, I'm basically going to be showing you the entire journey because I've been filming it all. And you might be asking, if I've been filming it, why didn't I upload it onto YouTube? And the reason for that is because I had no idea if this car would ever get back on the road again. And it's still not on the road, but it's got to the stage where I'm pretty confident that in the next couple of months, we can get this car finished. There was so much involved, and I don't really want to give you spoilers as to exactly what went wrong. And I guess it's easier to say what went right than rather than what went wrong. And actually, no, that's actually a hard one to actually answer as well. So let's just say I bought the Aston, and we've literally had to completely strip it apart in order to then put everything right. So you're with me on the journey on this one. I hope you enjoy the build. I certainly haven't been, as you'll see, as I've been going through the build itself. But I've learned so much, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you all. Anyway, let's get in the video now. Hey guys, how's it going? I hope all is good. I am currently in the middle of nowhere, and I don't know if you can see out there, it's the desert, and there's some camels out there as well. I'll try and get a close-up of camels a little bit later. I'm heading out towards a place I've never been to before, to be honest with you, and I'm not entirely sure where it is. I'm just following my Google Maps. But I'm going to check out a car, and it's got real potential, so I may well buy it. It's an Aston Martin Rapide, and without doubt it is the world's cheapest Aston Martin Rapide. But this one has had a little knock at the back. These are the pictures of the car that I have received already. Now, I've actually found all the parts for this car before I've even gone to see it, which is a real bonus because I roughly know what it's going to cost me to repair, which is a real good thing. Now, the other interesting thing is that as I was doing my research for the parts, I realized that there's certain things that I need to check on the car to make sure that those particular parts are not damaged, because if they are damaged, then that just changes the price bracket completely. But we'll see when we get there. We'll do an inspection on the car. So you'll notice also that I'm not driving my Porsche at the moment. I am driving a Nissan Sunny. Yep, no, I haven't gone soft and bought a Nissan Sunny. I was driving my Porsche 2 days ago, and I lost pressure on the clutch. Anyway, let's check out this Aston Martin. See one with the battery once we connect. No, electric. How much? Okay, so I think what's actually happened is from the crash that you had here, it's damaged it here, and you can see further damage down here where it's cracked. You see just there? It's cracked, and that is like not aligned either. So basically, this whole thing has jolted. It needs a new shell. There's no doubt about it. Needs a new shell. And it needs new doors. And it needs new back. And it needs new pretty much everything. Now, as you can see, the car is pretty shattered from every angle. Literally, the pictures only showed the good bits. And there's so much wrong with this car. So I actually left Riyadh. I left Al Hafuf. And I started driving back to Riyadh. And at that point in time, my mind was just saying, no, there's just too much to do with this car that needs to be done. And, there's just multiple things that needed to be done. And I thought, I've not really done a project this big before. In fact, I've not really done a project car before. So this for me was, it was a big thing. So I thought, it's not going to happen. Let's go back to Riyadh. And that'd be the end of it. But it wasn't.